Hi. This is probably one of my favorite songs. It's Bound to You from the movie Burlesque, and it's sung by Christina Aguilera. Sweet love, trapped in your love. I've opened up, I'm sure I can trust my heart and I were buried in dust. Free me, free us. You're all I need when I'm holding you tight. If you walk away, I will suffer tonight. I found a man I can trust, and boy, I believe in us. I am terrified to love for the first time. Can you see that I'm bound in chains? Finally found my way. I am bound to you. I am bound to you. So much, so young, I've faced on my own. Walls I built up became my home. I'm strong and I'm sure there's a fire in us. Sweet love so pure. I catch my breath with just one beating heart, and I embrace myself. Please don't tear this apart. I've found a man I can trust, and boy, I believe in us. I am terrified to love for the first time. Can't you see that I'm bound in chains?